Question: when joining two pipes together, copper pipes for a line set for heating and air, whether it be a swaged fitting or whether it be a coupling in between, the question is, um, how does one join these pipes to make a good seal so that it makes a good seal? On the copper pipes on the water line, one would use solder and flux, or flux and solder in that order, I'm assuming, in my opinion. But on heating and air, they use something along the lines of this. These come in a pack, and this is called a silver stick, or that's, in my opinion, that's what the terminology a lot of people use. But this is actually used for brazing. So one takes, and then one comes over here. One takes the oxy and acetylene, or they make various gases to get it hot, but it does have to get hot. Generally speaking, some people have, I've heard, may have used MAP gas, but oxyacetylene does get hot. And this silver stick here comes around here, and they call this brazing. So again, this is brazing the two coppers together. When one puts two pieces of copper together for plumbing, they call this soldering. However, there is a new concept which some people go by that's a little bit different theory. So perhaps maybe get covered in a different video. But again, this is a, say, a perhaps plus or minus maybe a silver stick with X amount of silver in it, and one takes the oxyacetylene, gets this good and red, and then actually brazes this. One caveat when dealing with this: the Schrader valve should be removed before brazing, because if they have any rubber on them and it gets so hot it will melt them. So it may not be a bad suggestion to remove the Schrader valves before one does this, until subsequent to and then reinstall subsequent to sealing. But anyway, take your oxyacetylene, get this good and cherry red, this good and cherry red. The only thing one has to be careful of, you don't burn a hole through this. So again, this silver stick here, they come in a pack like this, and they're not cheap. They're maybe not too expensive. However, a pack like this may cost somewhere in the range of $100 plus or minus. Not exactly certain. Each one will have to check with their supply house. So the silver sticks and this is called brazing with the oxyacetylene. Get it hot. This silver stick here melts into the fitting, and that's what you call brazing a line set for heating and air conditioning. Thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day.